Hi, it's Colleen. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a cookie banner for your website and why you should need to add one. A cookie banner, first and foremost, we'll go to settings and you'll see cookies and visitor data. Now, you'll need to enable this. I'm just going to come out and tell you you need to enable it. The cookies banner originated with the EU GDPR ruling that you needed to inform your customers on how data was collected, how it was maintained, how it was stored, and so on, and how it was used, obviously. And in the United States, we don't necessarily have those laws, but people are becoming really savvy about the information that they share, and they want to know that you're using it in a safe and trustworthy way. So the reason why you just need to enable the cookie banner is that basically every single website collects cookies. That's just all there is to it. If you track anything, you have cookies. So basically all you need to do is enable cookie banner, and you can change the message you have here, but the default one is fine. And you can change whether it's a bar or pop-up. I like bar, where it is, whether it's light or dark, and you can change the button and what it says. That's all you need to do. Get it on there and get it on there today and make sure your site is covered. Click save and you're done.